For Fault Navigator to work properly, you need a good light. The light provided comes with a clip-on, so all you have to do is just pull it apart. So to attach it, you basically slide your iPad in, pull the clip apart, make sure it fits, and once it's attached, you can turn the light on. But you also have to make sure not to cover the camera. To turn it on to maximum brightness, you have to press the power button 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you proceed to scan the forefoot. You follow the chevrons. You can see the suspect. And once you localized your suspect, you can turn the light back off with one power button press, and then you can take it off again and store it in your rucksack.